Hello, myself Muhammad Ois Khan of CSC ANML is here to give a presentation and my topic is types of formal letters. What are formal letters? A formal letter will be encom- What are formal letters? A formal letter will encompass many things and it is related to a business letter. To put into perspective, all the business letters are for formal letters, but not all the letters are business letters. In term of formal letter, it can be used to entirely and any written letter from the formal purpose, whatever that be the recommendation letter, an invitation letter, a complaint letter, or and so on. Formation of a formal letter. Sender's address, date, to, name, designation, address, salutation, dear sir or madam, subject, about the subject, introduction, body, conclusion, and lastly, yours faithfully with a signature. It is the format of the formal letter. Writing a formal letter. Keep the following points in mind while writing a formal letter. The letter should always begin with the sender's address on the top left hand side. Sometimes the address is also placed on the right hand side. Writing a formal letter. Keep the following points in mind while writing a formal letter. The letter should always begin writing a formal letter. Keep the following points in mind while writing a formal letter. The letter should always begin with the sender's address on the top left hand side. Sometimes the address is also placed on the right hand side. The sender's address is followed by the date on the left hand side or on the right hand side. Next, write the name, designation, and address of the receiver. The next step is to include an appropriate salutation such as dear sir or madam or dear Mr. or Strim. The salutation is followed by subject line where you briefly state the purpose of the letter. The letter should consist an introduction, body, and a conclusion. Conclude the letter with an appropriate complimentary close such as your faithfully or your sincerely or regards. These are some general guidelines to follow when writing the formal letter. The letter should be formal in style and tone. Avoid using informal languages. The letter should be precise and up to the point. The tone should be polite and courteous. Make sure to use a proper line gap spacing throughout the letter. Types of formal letters. The formal letters can be of a complaint type or a job application, a reference, a recommendation, a resignation, thank you, or an interest. Letter for a complaint. Letter of complaint. The letter of complaint. Many people feel it necessary to write a letter of complaint regarding fault products or poor service. A complaint letter needs to be carefully written to ensure that the it's firm but also polite and also not to put off the reader. It also needs to make a clear what you are looking for in it to be compassionate. It also needs to make it clear what you are looking for in the way of compensation. Cover letter. A cover letter of your job application. All job applications should be a complete cover letter. A cover letter your A cover letter for your job application. All job applications should be accompanied with a concise, concise and well-written covering letter of CV to boost your chance of being selected for an interview. A well-writer covers a well-written A well-written cover letter should highlight the main reason why you are the best person for the job. Reference letter. Students will often ask a teacher to write them a letter for the reference of an employment or college admission. A reference letter help you boost your CV and increase your chance of getting hired. These letters highlighting the general strength of the student and why they would be perfect for any job or college. Letter of recommendation. Unlike the simple reference letter, the letter of recommendation is more specific. It is it is there to actually recommend a person being written about and endorse them to the reader. The letter should focus on specific examples that person prove the person is strong candidate for the job. Generally, these letters are sent directly to the requester, not seen by the student. Resignation letter. Resignation letter. You are leaving a job. You would want to ensure that you would not burn any bridge or aligned. You are leaving a job or you want to ensure that you don't burn any bridges or alienate anyone that you have worked with. After all, you may After all, you may want to work with them again at some point in the future, and well written letters of resignation can help you maintain a good relation. Letter of interest. A letter of interest is similar to a cover letter for your job, but is typically sent by companies that you are interested in working but are not currently advertising any jobs within your area of interest. These can be highly effective if written well as they show initiative and a drive to succeed. Simple, but this letter express your desire to meet with a hiring manager in order to learn about the opportunities that may be available to you. Thank you. This brings us to the end of the presentation. Thank you.